Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Set camera to 60 FPS or higher and lock exposure. Once done, mount on a tripod and mark actor start and end positions with tape. Make sure lighting stays constant. Avoid flicker and auto white balance. Tell the actor to perform the action slowly and repeat it 3 to 5 times for coverage. Use a stopwatch to keep takes identical. Once you have matching takes, back up the footage immediately to prevent data loss and move on to the core compositing steps. You now assemble the effect. Import align takes into your NLE or compositor and choose the cleanest frames for each moment. Use a temporal mask to freeze the subject at a chosen frame, then blend a motion-blurred trailing layer behind it to imply displacement. Make sure to feather masks and match grain. Once blended, add a subtle glow and directional particle streaks moving away from the frozen subject. These sell velocity. Finally, color grade the composite so the frozen area contrasts slightly with the background, enhancing the illusion. You finish by timing the freeze to the beat. Nudge frames until the frozen moment hits the cue. Make sure to render at your project frame rate and export at native resolution. Choose H. 264 for web, ProRes for archival. Add a synchronized whoosh and a bass thump to sell impact. If you get ghosting or double exposure, refine masks, raise your frame blend threshold, and replace problem frames with a clean plate. Once fixed, export a 10-second test clip and review at full screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.